Hello, class, and welcome to week 7, which is all about managing HR globally and the strategically managing the HR function. So, kind of our last two topics of the semester. So, can you believe it? We're already, to the end. I mean, it feels like we just all met, like yesterday. So, it's crazy how fast the semester can go by. For this week, there's two chapters to read. Chapter 15, which is about managing HR globally, and then Chapter 16 about strategically managing the HR function. So make sure you read the final two chapters of the semester. I posted some videos for you. Make sure you watch those. As far as assignments go this week, we only have one assignment, and it's just a discussion board. That's all I'm asking you to do this week. There's no additional assignment other than a discussion board. And I made a slight alteration to the discussion board. You still have to do at least 3 posts like you've done in the past, but they're not all due until Sunday. Normally I have you have at least your initial post by Thursday. I'm giving you a little bit more flexibility this week. So just as long as you have all 3 posts completed by Sunday, then you're good to go. So that's all I'm requiring this week. The reason why I'm not giving you an additional assignment is because if you recall, later this week, the course project is due. So I want you to spend the rest of this week also working on the course project. Make sure that you pay close attention to the due date that I listed in this week's module and on the syllabus, because again, you don't want to turn that in late. So make sure that you focus on getting your course project done this week. And then, of course, next week is the last week of the semester. It's the final exam. That's the only thing that we have to do next week. I will be posting in Canvas in an announcement section some details about the final exam. The format, the length, what to expect, how you can take it, etc., etc. You will be able to take it at home. It's open book and open note at home. You can take it anytime during the exam period, and I'll post that. You cannot work on it with anybody else. You must work on it alone. That's the only requirement that I have. But you can use any notes or videos or anything that you want to have there with you, you'll be able to use. So again, I'll post full details of that later this week in the actual in Canvas itself. So that's pretty much it for this week. I do want to say on a personal note, as we've come to the end, I've been teaching this class more or less since 2015. So this is my 7th or 8th year of either teaching this class or variation of this class. And you've definitely been near the top as one of the best classes. Your discussions on the discussion board have been outstanding of the work that you've turned in. You've put in a lot of effort as a class. I've been very impressed. It makes my job a joy because, again, I love to see so much of the enthusiasm that this class has shown, the excitement of learning about HR and about how it affects each of your lives and your working lives. So again, I just wanted to let you know it has been an absolute pleasure being your instructor this semester. And if you are interested in HR as a career or diversity, equity, inclusion, anything along those lines, and you have questions about it, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'm always happy to talk about, not just my experience and what I've done to get where I'm at, but if there's areas of HR that you're really interested in and want to know how to maybe have a career in that area, again, I'm always happy to talk to you. Just let me know and we can set up a conversation to go over that. So again, thank you everybody for being a wonderful class. Again, it's been a pleasure being your instructor, and I hope I see some of you maybe in future classes. Thanks so much.